Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick the Rule. What's my name in the channel?
Rick the Ruler.
I thought this was one of
You think it's Afro days? Your young man days.
Toilet.
Get out!
We can't have any such of that. Any that of any.
You've never started drinking. What's going on?
We can't have any such.
Such?
That.
Such? We can't have any of such that.
Any of what?
We can't have.
Right? Right? That's how I felt. That's how I felt too.
We can't have.
Anything of that such.
Yeah, that's it.
No. Anything.
That's such. Sounds so stupid.
Stupidest thing ever. Anything of that such. Anything such of that here. Nah, man, this is crazy. You get the point. Shut up. Hi guys. What's all these jinxes? Is it because I've introduced you and you've introduced me and now introducing my vocabulary into yours?
That's it.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick, and I'm here with Movie. It's been what, 4 weeks?
4 weeks.
It's been 4 weeks since our last video. We're really ashamed of ourselves because, on Fire Studios,
we preach consistency.
And
I think I said consistency like 5 times.
Guy, we did say consistency.
We're going to be quite consistent. Yeah.
Feel like such a politician.
Well, it was forces beyond our control.
Today we are doing something special. Wait. I just realized that when I say we're doing something special and then we're in our bedroom, it's like, it's like what we said we wouldn't do.
So today we're doing a, what is wrong with this dog now?
You can give us more alcohol. Might make her relax a bit.
So today we actually saw a video on YouTube. We haven't watched it, but we decided to watch it now and answer the questions. And we have our tools ready. Pens and A4s. So
we'll be adding a twist though. So basically the game is that, we get to answer questions about your partner, right?
Yeah.
Like they'll ask something about you. I will not answer it. You will not tell me.
We'll both write it down.
Okay, then we'll not compare answers and see if.
Yeah.
But our own comes with a twist, right? Because whoever loses the answer gets to
drink. Shayo.
Bigiano. Yeah, at the end of the day, whoever is most drunk is the loser.
Yeah.
And that person will get to do something later.
We just had our introduction done 2 days ago, and you see the video in our next. That's our next video.
I went with a couple of my equipment.
Farmers.
My fellow farmers. We traveled far.
Oh, yeah, same on this one for this.
All right.
I believe I'm going to win this game because I think I know this man. Like, I know his brain. I know how he thinks. I think I'm gonna win it. So yeah, let's get it.
All right, let's start. It's already like 5 minutes intro.
Yeah.
What did I wear on our first date? I don't even know which one be our first date.
Wow, really?
No guy, I feel like
our first date. Yeah.
Okay.
I will win this thing. Oh yeah.
All right.
What's your answer?
Hey.
That you have long neck. Should not look at my own.
All right. So who goes first?
Yeah, we show it now. We show them. What did you write?
Your casual, your me casual.
Yeah, what did you wear? Navy blue shirt. What day is this one?
You're wrong. You're wrong. You're actually wrong.
No, what day is this one?
This is Boguberry.
Was that our first date?
Typically, yeah, Boguberry was before this.
Like, Boguberry was just like a...
Hey, wait. Hey, Kini.
You didn't make it seem like it was an actual date.
In our head, you know, as Nigerian girls, in their head, I think it's only dinner that is date.
No, it's not about... No, if that Yomi casual day, it was because you actually said, it's a date, let this be our...
So Boguberry
for God's sake, even our proposal,
hold on,
this
Boguberry,
thing, you
how
said...
How did we go to Boguberry?
Wait, in my brain, you've already stated that the Yomi casual Christmas dinner was like the first date. Even our proposal day, you even put it there in your caption that, oh, you took me back to where we had our first date to propose to me. Yes or yes? So how are we going to judge this thing now?
We'll go both drink. So we should both drink then.
No, I won.
Because the problem with this thing is that I think deeply. Think deeper than all this regular shit.
Can't admit that I lost just now. Drink, baby.
Just the men who think deeply.
I hear. So, second.
Who is my teenage celeb crush?
Oh my god. Teenage, like when you were a teenager.
It never felt like that. Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't know.
Alright. Answer. There's time limit for this thing self now. It's 3 seconds. It's 3 seconds.
You didn't even use 3 seconds.
We start.
Let me see. You know why? I know this is Eva Alodia. When this guy met me, I cut my hair. And this guy was always comparing me to Eva. I said, you look like Eva. I'm like...
She doesn't know that it's what helped her.
I win.
Shout out Eva. I don't get crushed again. You don't pass.
Okay, number 3. So nobody's drinking, yeah?
Yeah, nobody's drinking.
Number 3, baby.
You were late? As per last time, you almost had a belly. Late somewhere. Last time you were late somewhere. Eh? That's it now.
My head just clicked to what you said.
Oh, yeah.
I almost had belly.
Yeah. Okay, last time
you were late.
Oh,
we were late.
Last time we were late. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Only one person for it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's we both know who the person is.
Yeah, me.
This one. Go.
That's story for another day. Okay, number 4. No brainer. No brainer.
The question is which
no brainer
has the worst handwriting?
Yes. And if you want to argue, we will show them your handwriting.
Sorry, let's do it.
He has the worst handwriting, and he even makes bullet points in the shape of... What does that look like, for God's sake? Doesn't that look like a penis?
Isn't
for
that
God's
a
sake?
dirty-minded young lady? Only
An erect penis with the balls hanging on that. Where in the world?
That as a penis.
Look at this one here, it's curved.
A bastard.
Oh shit. My mind. Okay, wait.
It's early.
Oh my god.
I'm done.
Wait.
Turn in your answers.
Ooh! Oh my god! Ooh!
Look at you.
Okay. 24th.
I didn't even think about it. It
$20.19.
literally just stuck in my head.
2019.
My hair was just saying 24.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what is my favorite color? What is my favorite color?
Like, ew. Who's a favorite color?
You say ew. What?
You feel like you've said it before?
No. I didn't used to have a favorite color, but you made me have a favorite color.
Okay, let's do it then.
I feel like I just gave you expo now.
I feel like I was writing rubbish just now. My brain was like, hold up, bro. Okay, let's flip it. All right.
I hope this thing is even showing.
Yeah, I hope it's even right. It's not showing. Let's forget it.
Oh,
okay, I was writing blue.
Who likes blue? So it's yellow,
Yeah.
mustard yellow to be precise.
How?
Yeah, you're supposed to drink.
None of us.
Small. You're supposed to
None
drink
of
small.
us I haven't drink. Why not? What? Okay, we're so perfect. What's going on here? Guy, this one, no Martin.
No Martin. So no Martin. The only thing we literally ever fight about, like, it's shocking.
Exposing
Why are you
bias.
writing so plenty? Like
I had
this?
to explain it so it doesn't seem like.
Let
it.
me see. Food.
What to eat? Not as though we have food in our front and we'll fight over it. What to even eat? Do you get like it's fucking
like,
crazy?
What do you want to eat? I know. What do you want to eat? I'm like.
And then me, I'm like,
and I'm like,
guy.
pick like.
And I'm like, guy, now your work.
I'm like, it's not my work. It's
not
I'm
like that. Not
I'm
like
like,
that.
you need to tell me
Let's
what
not
you
open our
want to
development.
eat. No, it's something. It's something that needs to be spoken about.
Let's just drop this as a question to the public.
Mm-hmm.
Who is supposed to decide what is to be eaten in a house, in a home? Is it A, the man? Is it B, the woman?
Okay.
/mother /wife? Are they given a...
Bear in mind that the man can be very picky.
No. This
as
is
a
not
woman,
about
you'd
that.
like
This is a
to
general
know
question.
what he
This is a
wants to
general
know.
question.
It's you're also asking it in a biased tone.
Okay.
The wife, the mother, the this, the that.
Okay. Oh yeah, no wahala.
Okay.
Drop in the
topic
comment.
for another day.
Drop in the comment section below. Down below.
Who's more likely to do this? No doubt.
Okay.
Yeah, you.
Yeah. So
Not like I can't kill a spider. I can kill it.
So I get it right now. Yeah, so we'll get it right.
But I can kill a spider, but when he brings out his shoe for the cockroach, I actually feel sorry for the cockroach.
Her expertise is more of mosquitoes. God. I remember the first time I was watching this woman track down a mosquito. You know how these movies they will call an assassin to track down somebody. This woman can track down mosquitoes. What do you think is my favorite
memory
of us?
Of us.
Yeah.
Oh,
Debbie. I have so many, Sha.
we have too many.
So many.
I feel.
Favorites. But I'm gonna just call it anyone and hope that you lose so you can drink.
Okay.
You're going to drink, sure.
What did you write? Days at the beach. I was actually gonna pick that. I was actually. Do you know? Do you know what came to my mind, babe?
What?
Our first day at the beach.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to write.
Our first night at the beach.
Yeah.
But then I thought that anniversary dinner was nice, so that day.
Oh yeah, drink. I'm winning like this. Your most prized possession.
That I would save in a fire.
Right now? Like your most prized possession right now.
Yeah, I have a most prized possession.
Right now? Yeah.
Right now.
Guess. Yeah, I could guess one.
So why do I feel like
Gabby, you. Wow. Gabby, you. Dog. Aja. Hey, God. Wow. Eye opener. I will drink because I need
maybe I was.
I need it. I need to drink it.
So he wrote proposal ring. I don't know how this skipped my mind. I'm so sorry, my baby.
Dog. You go marry?
Because I mean, well, it wasn't specific now. Living or non-living thing now.
Possession.
Oh my darling.
Come on, yeah.
Sorry. I love my ring. I love my ring, and I love you. Your face.
What is my most
cherished
childhood memory? Actually, I have one, and I think I'll mention it to you.
you have?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like I'm going to fail this.
Yeah, probably.
Because you have so many stories. You did right, oh. What?
Let's go.
Oh, I feel like I'll lose.
You probably failed.
Oh, shit, I feel like I already failed. Being
Hotel
at home with
days with dad. Hotel days with dad.
What did you write? Being at home with the what?
Smell of fried fish and stew, and everybody being at home. You don't remember when I said that? Oh,
what even came to my mind after this was you watching cartoons in your father's room.
you don't remember when I said that? Oh, the day that I will smell fried fish and I'll see my children, I will know that. Okay.
True. Let me drink.
What family member are you closest to?
Yeah.
From your side?
Yeah.
He
said, even me said,
It's tricky.
Yeah. I feel like I meet everybody different
for different reasons. But I feel like there's one that sort of knows the most.
Let's see.
Mom? Oh, that was Chika.
It's my mom.
Chika, just so you know. Forget all those. Nah, Mama, she loves bass. Alright, cheers to Chika.
He's very tipsy already. Apologies.
Very tipsy, alright.
He's sounding like a pirate. We're just going to take 2 more questions because we have people's videos to go and edit.
My top 3.
What are your top 3 love languages?
In order. Wow, I don't know.
I don't think I can do it in order. Wait, I think I'm missing this question. 3. Wait. I think I wrote things that you like. Not not your love languages.
Don't fail, forget.
Wait, let me correct it.
Time's up.
Let me correct it now.
Time's up.
Let me correct it now.
You still feel that?
Well, yeah, let's
go.
What did you do?
Acts of service. Sense. Words of affirmation.
I already knew. I was writing things you
focus. Like. Open this thing. Let me see there. What you write? Gadgets, shoes, food cooked by me. What a proud fuck. Cooked by me. He can't write gifting. Food cooked by me. Hey, God, women.
No,
I love it.
I already told you that I was going to fail this question because I was writing things that you would like. Maybe I'm already tipsy now. That's too much now. You're giving me too much. You don't even. No, don't use the one like this now.
Drink. The last question is, what's one strange thing that moves does that at home that nobody else will know? So let's go.
I have written.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. What's yours?
Crying. Nobody's meant to know that.
So I shouldn't say that.
I wrote funny naked dance. When I'm naked, I just burst in. Sometimes I burst into some weird ass dances.
Weird ass moves.
He wrote, I cry when I'm pooping. Yes. Like that first strong shit.
What the fuck?
That first strong shit.
Like you let me see this woman.
Yes. I remember the first time you saw it. You were so worried.
I'm like, what's wrong with you? I legit thought that you would have done something. And I must have done something. Alright, so I think that's it. The video is longer, but I don't want to bore you guys. Call it. Plus, we don't get drunk, I beg.
Yeah, I'm very tipsy. And when we're tipsy, we like to.
So, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,
comment. Please answer that question. I'm actually really serious. Like that whole who decides what the family is. Is it the man or is it the woman in the home? Please comment below. Thank you very much. I'll see you in our next video. We'll see you in our next video.
Yeah. Possibly with Gabby.
Guy.